Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, this morning live stream with Mr. Vegas, you see the whole down in the comment section and say, yo, you know want to hear what Mr. G, aka Goofy, had to say when him calling for Mr. Vegas live. Well, it happened, I'm avid for you, and people, it actually turned out to be a very good reasoning between Mr. G and Vegas. Them a talk about, you know, the struggles in the business. Them a talk about who did have to jump over a wall to go get a voice recording. Them a talk about all of who never used to deal in the business. And people, as me say, I enjoyed the reasoning. I'm sure that you are going to enjoy it. Yes, they got to the part of them a talk about Hawkeye as well, and that coming up in the live stream reasoning. People, as me say, I know for sure you're not going to like the reasoning here. So I'm not going to do too much long talking. I'm going to make you just hear the reasoning between Mr. G and Mr. Vegas. Come, we go listen.
Yeah, so when I say to you, bro, yeah. Sometimes I do some simple little thing more time, you know. Cause problem, you know. Cause maybe if you say to the artist, say, you know, so I'm going to bring up Vegas, it maybe will not be a problem. But me I tell you from that day the whole thing started off. Remember, before that, you know, and you know, say one day your memory you go recall, and if you say it to me, I remember. It's like from before me even getting the music, I write a song for the man, and me and my little nephew named Cleve come around the main street and I see you and I say, yo, me have a song for Red Rat, you know. Come on, say I try to get in, you know. So I say, me write a song for Red Rat.
You get in.
Me get in. And you come in the studio and make me demo the song. See? Like, yeah. Not with reading man, like you make the man, some engineer in there say, turn on the mic. I mean, they have sing it. And you say, you know, say it have a vibrate. And he say, me not like it. Right in front of my face. You never play hypocrite with it, you know, say, me not like it.
Well, me can't even remember that.
Him have remember, brother. 3 hours we can't so forgetful.
Yo, me I go ask right about that part there.
But when we want you just go back to that image here. When you come up a spectrum, bro, remember see you calm me up on the place nice and I go on wicked in a brother. But when you go put on, you make the man put on Nike reading dog. Remember say that reading there when it drop in a dog. My youth, I want to you, man. Blood clean, man.
Yo, let me tell you something, Vegas. Let me tell you something. That night there, when you come out, because, hey, brother, let me tell you something. You swim place under fire and then you call out a man where first thing, the major public never see you like that yet. You come up and 2 man where I run the place. Set. And when you step out, brother, and DJ, it never normal. Everybody start look for you.
Dog, at that night, let me know some boss, you know.
Yeah, man.
Remember me tell her, dog.
Real thing, man.
So, me have to tell people, yeah, some people in the music. Yeah, some people in the music, where no matter what, no matter differences in me have or anything, yeah, some people in the music, where even when me ain't no good, you still there in my studio, me I say, oh, this sound, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, some people in the music where I like musical professor. You and Steely and Danny have something to do, but me not put you and Steely.
Vegas, you remember the last big run where you get? You remember order run they start off? Remember say you're Steely no good, none at all in a pooper. And me say, yo, Steely, I've already go kill the place in a brother.
Let me get the issue on that.
I said, talk to Steely for you.
No, let me get the issue on that too. Let me get the issue on that.
Alright, when me go talk to Steely. Yes, when me go talk to Steely, Steely tell me some things if I tell you.
Watch it, man. Let me get the history on that now.
Yeah.
Steely a pre me because when he make me sing over Hot Girl today, remember say me carry Sean Paul run a Steely, you know.
Yeah.
The voice Hot Girl today, right?
Yeah.
Steely after me say voice the song myself. Me say no, me nah do that. So him a pre me.
Yeah.
But when Sean Paul come and he made the Super Cat sound, he like it.
Yeah.
So Sean Paul in there, Sean Paul a sing, but you know Sean Paul kind of slow them time, they take long for voice. So the man I get mad for Sean and I say, yo, come out of the studio, really, you know, that's how Steely behave.
Yeah.
You go up, don't need that boy, come out of my studio, I mean, I said, no, DJ, I saw him still, yo, no watching, no listening, no listening. So Sean I get vexed and I left the studio. So, when them comes to boom now, VP no want the rhythm. I'm gonna make Chris Cracknell take the juggling.
Yeah.
Because the compilation, I think they get it, you know. Green Steve, you know, not VP, you know. For the original rhythm, for the original when it's Street Sleeper, right?
Yeah.
When them sign Sean Paul, when VP I try sign me, and I'll reach out to Carlton and everybody to try sign me. Say, yo, I'm not sign to no, because you know, don't have good business principles.
Yeah.
See? So when it comes to man and sign Sean Paul now, Steely link me to sing back Hot Girl Today. Them time me illiterate too, me naive to the business, and I know say if me sing it back, the master change.
Oh.
So me said to Steely say, if me ever sing it back, I want it for my new album. And he say, yeah. In promise say me can get it to the album dog. But me no know say, aside the sign with VP signed Sean Paul, them want the song for Sean Paul single. So him trick me now to sing it back, because if me sing it back, Green Steve no longer owns the master.
Yeah.
The master now is a different master, is a new master, so VP now can exploit it.
Yeah.
So when Sean Paul see me at the airport, Sean Paul give me a 12-inch, and I look on the 12-inch, it said, Hot Girl Today, Sean Paul.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, Sean Paul, so where my name then? And he grab it back from me and say, you name not upon it. And I say, DJ, now you just meet. See? So I call Chris from VP now. Christian.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, you can't release that, you know, because I don't give no rights, you know. I don't give no rights to exploit me, because I learn the business, and I say, yo, you can't exploit my likeness or image. Because a matter of fact, a Green Steve own it. And them say, no, you're idiot. Go sit down. You sing it over. So me start pre-stealing. I say, trick me. Because
well, stick up in. Me no know where you want steal it, they have.
Me tell you what me and him have?
Right, so uno go so. But that by itself is our next discussion. All me know say when me go to steal it.
Well, I know we are getting to that. We are getting to that. I show you the build up. Remember this, you know. Remember this. Remember this. Remember, say Steely was one of the man in the music where you can't ask nothing about your publishing. You can't ask nothing about your royalties.
When
you
can't ask him about everything. Me they ask him about everything.
You want him on a different level. You know saying vexing people for even ask questions. Lock your ass clean.
Hold on, Vegas. Me just see me general. We boss me a foreign. Come in for the live. DJ Rai.
You want me see him, man?
Yeah, man. DJ Rai, big up your damn self. Jazzwad.
But what is now? When you talk to him, you know, him know in me. So
the man worse than you know you.
Dog, the man, remember say me I one of the first man to stick up the man in a brother. Remember say everybody afraid of stealing, bro. So me said to the man, say, yo, oh you tell me say me I gonna get the song for my album, and then no, you know, tell me say the master change, a different master now, because once you record over the thing, the master change, bro. So the man will sing it back from put on the rhythm, and them know the plan. Say a short part them I go give to as a single, and them now go include me in it. So me start pre, and him a pre me wicked, but you know say me need him. Because I him a fan way. If I not done it, I am.
Yeah, man.
Sure,
I my general Latino.
Right.
Alright. A Danny Brownie label me boss pan, but me boss pan Danny label because me their voice is Steely and Cleavy. At Danny Brownie studio, so Danny Brownie get to discover me as Steely and me a voice for.
But Danny had more approachable person, but Steely run out of, but remember say Steely tell us Shabba them in mind, brother.
Yeah, man, then the Steely boss Shabba too, brother.
Remember say Steely say, people say when Shabba come back to Jamaica, Steely say, oh yeah, go with that, you have a little boy named Bojo, him down the place, and Shabba go and come back. Yeah. So when the man lock you off, you lock off good. So when you even talk to him then not with me dog, you know.
Oh, look, you know when me going up, Because 2 man me beg for pan sleepy dog with him, you know. You and Butcher Bantan, you know. And some things that the man tell me if you tell the 2 you know. Some things that the man tell me if you tell the 2 you know. Brother. Alright, Vegas. I beg for Butcher first. I beg for Butcher because I look on Steely. Hear me have to break it down to Steely. I say, Steely, let me tell you something. Yes, so in certain artists at and current in the business, it good for music business. It not just good for the artists, them it good for music business. When a man like
you just say something important and I want it sinking at the people in head. You just say a while ago. You have to beg for me and other artists for vice pan a rhythm, even though we hot.
No, that time you never Vegas. Nobody ready to know. Before sleeping dog, you never act right this way, you know.
No. Once an artist have heads eye, him always hot.
No man, nobody like that something. You never current. You never current at the time. Nobody like that something.
But current and hot, we are talking about established artists. You have to beg.
No, listen. Don't confuse being a big artist.
No man, no, I wrong we are taking man. Listen to me I say to you. Yeah. Even though we were established artists, we did still hungry out there search and I look for rhythm for vice.
But of course, that real artist though. Brother, when me go to Steely, come me and Steely apart. Me say Steely, come make with vice. Because Butcher tell me say more vice is Steely, you know, cause them have a 10-year war a go on. Me no remember how long your war they go on. But when me tell Steely say yo, more vice Butcher, you know. Man, tell me a bag of things, brother. Me can't repeat that on live. See? And me talk to him tell me the same set of things them figure tell you too. Me can't repeat that neither. Now, when me go so, and around 2 months, me take to convince Steely. Until me and Steely go so Bamson and go round. Me say, yo, Steely, drive with me. And me ma drive with it. And me go so move and me a drive and him see me for Reddings Road. So he might look for me, and me a drive. And I go so and turn on pan Carlisle Avenue. Steely go so. What the that you do, man? Me say run a Butcher me a carry, you know, more and something a quash right now in that day. Brother, the man don't forget wicked. Anyway, the gate man me took me and the gate man open the door. Open the gate. I will go in. Yes, when Butcher see me drive in with Steely, I drop down Butcher and drop down, you know. In a year. Yeah. So anyway, me break the whole tension and everything and the 2 man them end up a reason and big reason and ray. Butcher come round a Studio 2000 with we. We drive out and go around there. And we say, yo, we have a hook for you, you know. Butcher say, let me hear it. And Steely says, zoom, y'all have to ride this like motorbike. Book the limit and bust the stoplight. Here, Butcher, no, Star don't sound too much like Grimes, man. And I say to Steely, me say, Steely, open the mic. Me, I go vice it. Here, Butcher, hold on. Sing it back. And go around there. And I saw Butcher Bantan come enter. After that, the man just get one string load at it. Me produce a song saying, roll up in the feds and my food get suck off. Give him the song say, girl, nobody walk out your waistline, walk out your spine. Left side them, maybe a mother say, me bad me too, bad me. And you come get from your thing, buck a little girl a conscience. Brother, from your thing, they take off, you just start get be a man. You know what the man say advise me? Yeah, man, why advise me, dog? The man say, say, everybody has to advise here, you know. But me advise to me one in the apartment them, me say. And the man serious and now laugh, dog. The man say, yeah, me advise to become one in the apartment them. What is God? So you know it's a joke the man run. Yo, the man I look at me dead serious. Me never run no joke with the man, dog. Yo, you know what say? A joke. You know me get the vice man read him, dog. Every day me have to go pick up the man and carry the man down a Dunkirk, you know, dog. But check a girl named Dimples, you know. Yeah,
Mother, you know.
I'll steal a great start. Steal it, make the money we are war from them a little picnic. Come together at Dunkirk.
Remember say Dunkirk a war. Remember say Dunkirk a war and me I drive with this man I go down in a war zone area, you know.
I my dad. My dad. Steal it, make
You know
money from them and them.
but you know understand me just said to you a while ago. Oh, them days the artist hungry for rhythm. We not the name hype on the something. Anybody bad with him there, we do anything for that.
Brother, remember say Dave Kelly and Beanie Man now deal, you know. And Beanie Man jump Dave Kelly fence, you know. I'm talking about Beanie Man and run the place.
That wicked. Me hide behind Lenky wall and step in a load of shit and go step in my brand new BMW me buy just to get Lenky for vice me dog. I behind the wall me hide so. See him? And I say, yo, if him ever just push out him head. Me I go say, Lenky, just for vice man, I read him dog.
Yo.
So when you even tell Steely that Steely knows so me need the rhythm, you know. Come I say, yes, when me and the man a drive, when me and the man get a little bit good, you know. Cause me I can't go check a girl in a war area. Me say gunshot a bus, me can't dead in a dog.
Yeah, but him did stop the war from going down there, so.
What the hell it was, dog? The man that carry me down a Dunkirk, dog.
Yeah, man.
I check a girl, see him? I mean, the man a
general, man.
Yeah, the man, no? You know what? Outer sight, outer mind. He said.
No, yo, let me tell you something, Vegas. You see, Steely is Jamaica's greatest. Me no business where nobody wants to say. Steely are Jamaica's greatest, and when me say this, Steely is a man can hear a mongrel dog and pick up the mongrel dog and go turn him into the biggest star in the world.
That's what I explain to some people when they talk about people, boss people and them people. Sometimes I just an introduction, you know. Sometimes I just carry a man to steal, you know, and then boss, you know.
Brother, then look on this now. Like me always say to people, you know, a whole heap of youths will throughout the years. But guess what? If they never have real talent, then couldn't make it.
100 dollars. 100.
If you don't have real talent, you cannot make it.
And that's
your heart have to set away. Too,
yeah.
Brother.
No, I have to have good work ethics too.
That's why, let me tell you something. This boy I will name Hawkeye. That's why Hawkeye never ever make it big yet. Because let me tell you something. You say I think when name gratitude, brother.
Yeah,
if you don't have no gratitude for people who help you.
Facts.
And you talk be bad things about them people. Hawkeye look at me and I tell me, say, him have more big song than me and Red Rat. We're on planet Earth that happen.
You know the man say Murray tell promoter say if them can't get him without me. The man do an interview and said that in a dog.
Brother, let me tell you something. You say Hawkeye, him very delusional. Him very delusional. And him ungrateful. You get to me, I say, brother, let me tell you something. You, as a youth, will help go so boom and shoot through the gate and thing. You ever see Mr. G come to you and say, Vegas boy, me need a 5 grand, me need a 10 grand, me need anything? You never ever. Because me is a man, me set certain precedent in our earth, brother, that whether or not music can work, me have other things that work. Vegas, remember when they go buy my land pan Golden Acres, you know, me encourage you and say, Vegas, hold some things and build some things, you know. And you what you gonna do? You buy your land up a lease flat in a pooper. When you build the first set of apartment, them, you know, me never know say you go over the hill, you know.
Remember, say me I go over the hill, me used to stop down a Marvel and check your dog.
Brother, brother.
But watch it now. Before even that, you know. Remember saying, you know, the first person when we come in the music, you know. The first person will sit me down and say, yo, listen to me. You see, first money you make, buy a place. Donovan Jeremy and dog. Remember say when me a build up a lease flat, you know. Remember say, you link me and say a youth in England want to take some of the things them, you know. See him? Want to take the shell them, you know. And if you just boom bam bam bam, I say, yo, no, me I go build the whole of them. Me build the whole of them out of my pocket, dog. Because remember say me I one of the youth, you know, walk out and squander and go and anybody else around me, dog, I work them, I work, dog. Me not carry waste people around me. And you know that, dog. So when all a man like Hawkeye now, remember say me I carry the man on tour, dog. Nobody don't know the man a foreign, dog. The man have no hot song. You know say, alright. When me carry on tour and me get a budget, and him a come back with money in my pocket. When who money come out, and what's the budget?
Natural.
When you get no. What me say to you, say? What me say to you?
Tell me, me no remember.
Me not tell you say grab the little 3 grand them.
No, then they offer me some 5 grand. And
I me say grab them.
Yeah, you say that to me.
Me say goofy, you idiot. Me encourage people to make money, dog.
You say that to me, but here what? I always tell people, you know, you say life is a thing, you know. You say when you have certain amount of money, and then somebody offer you certain things, and you know, say, you get more than that straight through.
If you pull elastic band and not tight back, you will get broke.
You're absolutely correct, brother.
So you see when the people like you treat...
Vegas, let me tell you something. Because me is a man, remember, anytime me fault in the earth, you know, brother. Like with Nana, they miss over 100 at show, because me never want to take some fun.
Easily. Dog, easily, dog.
You get to me, I say? Me know, say, me turn down around 100 at show.
Remember, say, when that song...
You know, you tell me one thing one time, brother. And you see, since it happened to me, what you tell me, since it happened to me, I say, you know, say this can't reach me again in the earth. Hear this now. One rhythm where Richard Brownie have. Because you know, say, I'm me the car. I'm me basically the boss Richard Brownie, Shams label. And me beg Danny to give him a label for himself. And I'm me car being him and go up there, go voice Moschino, #1, and boss him label. See? Anyway.
No. No. I'm going to show you the history on that now. But talk first.
I'm already named Orgasm. And
right.
You beg me like, baby.
Me beg you. Well, I know. Not going to say it. Me I beg the man vice elephant man and the man say can't DJ. Maybe they around there. Alright, who you think make the man vice Sean Paul? And me beg the man every day, me I beg the man say, yo, you can't buy Sean Paul for me. A elephant man. Every day, dog. When me I say goofy, orgasm rhythm I gotta run.
And so you tell me, brother, when me ask you, me say Vegas. Me say Vegas. All the people in Maga dance to that rhythm here.
Me say, you will find me a dance.
Brother, you say me see the rhythm come out and shell out the place.
But hold on.
Alright, hold on. Let me tell you a thing. You see when that happened to me, you know, say, all when a man carry rhythm to me, Vegas, I mean, I like it.
No. You do it again. I'll show you again. Delhi ranks rhythm. Delhi ranks.
Which one?
What about that Asylum the night I put in Delhi ranks rhythm when my father bus band where they man do? You say, how the man go dance to that?
Oh, shit.
Are you moving your mic? You let me raise your ears. Really get that.
Yo.
Every day
you want. You see that Delhi ranks with him they do, brother. Let me tell you something. You see when the business changed to this, so
yeah.
I have to learn.
Because I come from prove.
DJ and them kind of. Remember, say them rhythm, they go 100 hard.
Dad, you are, when Delhi ranks give me the rhythm, me and you out of Asylum. I'm put in the rhythm and you say, yo, what that I go dance to? Same thing I tell me orgasm. I say, you know, so I don't believe it, one, because I can't dance to it real. And we don't know, say I change the music, I change to cartel them.
Brother, when me see that rhythm there, come level place, you know. Because let me tell you something about music, if you want to stay current, you know, brother. It's something you have to continually evolve with. More time you hear some things where it's not your style and not your
pattern. But for sure, how the artists them used to have more unity. Me get a rhythm and you first me find. And I say, yo, man. Me go load up Delhi ranks now. I saw you something, dog.
Yeah, man.
So me I say, dog. So, in all essence, dog, when somebody come and come do some interview on a point finger and I go like say, they do with vice them, take them vice and sing for them. But they want, where's everyone you do?
Brother, let me tell a man this. Hear this now. You see you, come here to give props and credit where credit due to. You're one of the man them where help a portion of you them. You understand? I And me tell Alozade and Kiprich to come back from England and them come in a year camp.
Facts.
You get what I say? Hawkeye, when Main Street shut down 1999, Murray carry over Hawkeye to in the streets.
Me tell Murray say I'm not good. Me say that biggest vice I'm gonna. Me say the man vice I'm not tapping dog.
And he want to Hawkeye. Hawkeye could have did boss, but him art better than him talent.
Facts. Facts. Yo, the man say,
brother, remember this now. Hear this now. Me and Bounty Killer not depend on good terms for most of the time. Me and him born June. So him know say him can't rule me and me not try rule him. So we have whatever differences. The two of we respect and we rate to one another same way. Bounty Killer is one of the man them.
I'll find out something.
Hold on now. Bounty are one of the youth them. We both a portion of youth in the business too. Adi come do the same thing. You say Beanie Man bust the most producer in our music. Beanie bust the most producers.
We end up on vice artists make artists boss. So people now understand it's not just one aspect of the music people focus on. You have a focus on Beanie Man where a vice to the young producer and because Beanie Man vice is not young producer.
Brother, him bust the most
right. Label. Shams. Remember say I mean first vice to Shams dog.
Which one I read him them?
Yeah, one slice your tomato. I mean first sing for him. Remember say me go sing some y'all raffle up and a dip. Cause Dave Kelly me go for sing the song for Dave Kelly.
Hear this. The first I know your first thing that Beanie Man first me carry and bust him label with Muskina #1.
Listen to me I say no.
Muskina #1 and the first thing that come out.
One man
Muskina #1 and the first song will come out from B.
That the body's rhythm.
Eh?
That the body's rhythm. Slice a tomato the pan the rhythm before that. Me vice seen before the body's rhythm come out. That's time they on my album. I'll TOK they on my first album, Ed's album, what do pan it? I mean first vice.
TOK, brother, you know say TOK them are really responsible for them as well. Bro,
go look at Ed's album, you see them pan it dog.
No, may I say before Ed's remember say when heavy metal rhythm and me and Danny help change round TOK them song from singing about themselves to anytime we book a new girl,
them already sing for me.
Well, they might sing for you, but anytime them book a new girl, she have to tight bust them, you know.
Them have a song, what song will they sing from Body's Rhythm?
No, but Body's come out after Kingdom and Heavy Metal.
Them have a song from Body's Rhythm. They have a song from Body's Rhythm, right? They have a song from Body's Rhythm. Where it a play for them to cause the rhythm did go on good.
Yeah, but remember say, brother, after King Day, brother, after them sing pan heavy metal, you know, them boss, you know. And then when me a vice Nas to flow for Dave Kelly, me tell Dave Kelly them for vice, TOK and them come out on the second batch. No boy a pose like a shutter.
But you know who give them the real boss though? Who send them worldwide? Tony Kelly.
Him they produce the chicken.
Yeah. And they say them boss.
They saw them go on a different platform.
Bro,
them big boss.
No,
Man. Them big boss.
You talk about this every day, dog. It's something where you preach. You have people where people know I have people where boss, dog.
Yeah.
Nobody wanna know them worldwide without Tony Kelly, dog. Just like people don't know me worldwide without Headside. No matter me did have hands up.
Hold on, the Bambino. See Vegas pan the thing. Vegas is a man know the history. From the Merciless them, Vegas them, the TOK them, the Chico, the Madanjo. Brother, a whole heap of thing in the latter part. Ask Dexter Daps. Me go for Dexter see you. December. The first week in December. The second week in December. In boss, me can't go by the Triton. You see me? You like version, ask I do wanna who's the first man, let him go. Ask I acting. Brother would do the thing in the thing. I just come in a walk and Straight through, and that's why Jah, God Almighty, my brother, that's why God Almighty make me, after 25 years, they are same way.
Still I help young artists.
And still I help young artists and still I do my thing.
Yo, you not have to, bro, you not even have to talk about it. Me say, out of the artists them in a dance hall, where the most young artists, is no question, it's not even close. It's not even, and I can tell you that without water. It's not even close, bro. Because you know, I'm gonna help artists, bro, you help producers, bro, and engineer, everybody, yeah, boss.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, help selector, dog. Some people don't understand that something in the music, you know, them things I just get some artists and some artists say, yeah, man, and a man response to my career. Sometimes you must a producer and the producer produce them.
Yeah, man.
Sometimes a selector you boss, dog. And the selector play them. It's a chain, dog. It's a cycle. People don't understand saying it's a cycle, dog. See? But then I bro, Hawkeye, not forgot they talk things about all Murray, dog. Because
yo,
trust
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You send me here where Hawkeye say it really hurt my heart. Because as me say, my brother, when from the beginning, when me and Rat used to PM, when we carry him out on the road, till when he come around main in the streets, after that, after Main Street shut, and me see you as the head of the camp. Because brother, a man might talk anything he want to talk, you know. Facts are facts and fiction is fiction. Vegas is a monster in a dancehall music, whether or not you want to like him. Like me, an elephant not depend, me an elephant not depend the best terms and thing. But me look at Elia all the time, me say Elia enough time me there place and them a beat you and me have to pick up for you.
Because I'm great.
Because me have to look at man know say, listen, elephant, do it. The real way.
Let me show you something. Let me show you evil boy Hawkeye is. Let me show you, and you mentioned something same text side of the promoter. Let me show you the man wicked dog. You see when we build a little industry camp, me I carry them down a Richie Stevens show down at Westmoreland, and we are going to camp. So me make him, me make Alizade open. Me make him run up. Because Alizade are the new youth. Then me say, you run up. Then me make Chico. Then me run up. So you know say I be a forward. Same thing we go a Sting. Boom. Me make Leng put them on the show. You know say a youth now boss name Bling Dog. I mean just come from foreign, you know, say in a dancer they come from foreign, you find any means not to get back a hype, you know. Because outer sight, outer mind, you know, nobody know what I see, you know. So me come see a little youth named Bling Dog now, I go and good and me say, yo, me I sing one little song now. I say me I go, a Sting I come up and you want something to go in at this thing now.
Yeah.
So me I want song now, me I say, see there now, you see there now, you see Lexus start up, broke down and park up, and me say something about Bling Dog. And the man take it to heart, dog. So me they have Clarendon now. And me and Hawkeye and all see them down there. So me now go sing the song, dog. And I Bling Dog are the new youth now the people them like. Me go sing the song and call the man name, dog. Things has time, when me say, things has changed and time to rearrange, you know, so your Bling Dog catch me. Me say, yo, me just see some man walk so. Some Clarendon man walk so. I must see some man drive to the stage so. And a man say, suck your mother. What that for? Oh, you have to this Bling Dog. Batty boy. Like, me Hawkeye them going on.
Hawkeye come left you.
How the blood video. Yo, me look, me no see him. Me no see. They know so the man start. Take side like the man start. Like me see him and join with the man. We bond me up. Me see Hawkeye turn up with the man. Me say, yo. Then me and him come here. I see man. So the man them plan to kill me because I call Hawkeye that beat me to dog. So me have to take that twitch away dog. I take
brother,
that.
let me tell you something.
Yo, everything good man. Everything good man. Everything good. Hawkeye stand up beside the man them where blood pick up to beat me dog.
Singer, also Hawkeye stay man. As me tell you, Hawkeye take side with promoter against me a foreign and a me carry him go foreign. Me a Rat carry him go foreign. and them sides with promote against we. But hear this, my brother. Me always say this, you know. You say, Earth, be as real as you can to yourself. Don't try put on a front, because hear this, you know. Say a man who don't have a hardcore energy inside him try sing a gangster song. It can't work because the people them feel and know who is gangster and who what energy. You understand?
Facts.
Now, brother, me tell a man,
That happened to me a country, you know, now a Clarendon, you know, me go with this bad man persona. And I sing one bag of rude and I clash now and the people say, oh, what the little girls artist here, where am I go with that? See?
I hear one member say you're a man, you sing gangster song because member say I get where you come from original. You sing gangster song and it work, you know.
Clash something, never take tea, dog. Alright.
No, clash, the people are not seeing a clash.
You know, next place me go and try that again, dog. One time when the brother there call up our name, see? And remember you said to me, say, yo, me I put a stop issue this no, you know. I run a car wash me I go, you know. You remember that day when you said that to me?
I want to hear, man, me strap up like seat belt.
Remember you said to me, say, yo, I run a car wash me I go, no.
Brother, let me tell you something. When me and Killer at it, me walk everywhere and look for bounty killer. Everywhere. Because remember say, brother, remember say my head chip different, you know.
Well, I know. What is now?
Listen, well, I know, Vegas.
Let me drag him a little bit.
Well, I know, let me show you a thing. You see me? That's why I say, you see Killer. Because Killer apologize to me. Now. Remember say Killer come apologize to me for entertainment reporting. You know. They say him apologize to me, you know. Because, brother, me don't know what Killer they try when him call up my name and thing. But here want to me, see them time there, me have an attitude name. Me not care because me decide to come out of music. And
no, it's like the when you walk, when you say, I run a car wash me I go, me should have follow you. That day they say I walk with you. And you the wickedest thing now. Me go a country. Zin. And me have a song now I say, yo. And me say, yo, I want to some man. I'm going to mention the brother name star, some bad man a country to blood. The man must say, yo. So can mama come out for that, you know?
Brother, you know, say me drive. Me drive.
Well, I know.
Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Yo, me drive from town, Killer Bashua, in at the time. Killer Bashua and Mobia.
I never try remember your boat.
Well, I know. But remember the night Killer no turn up a show, you know. And one boy, after me go up there and I kill the place. Me go up there and I mash up the place and one boy come up there. But Mobia. But yo, Killer me daddy already. You remember when me do? I bust up him head with the microphone, you know.
No. Make a thing then. You go say, because I must say people in love a man like that, you know, dog. And you go say something different. Remember, say you don't make your statement, run a car wash everything, and you say, yo, you go hold the mic and say something, and a little boy run up, say, my daddy, and one bag of sitting dog.
Brother,
you remember?
Brother, I remember me a DJ, because at the time, me they have Sham song say, this a one your name, not take no check, not take no, and level up, me DJ on 5-6 song and level on there, and talk some things for Killer. And me see one boy come up about Killer and daddy, and me say, Papa, you know, so I never talking, me come down here to talk.
No, but the youth run up on you and that go wicked kind if you say Killer and daddy.
My lad, Vegas, you know think that Vegas when we come off all the stage, you know, Papa. You never see what going on I back.
Bro, me don't know, but me just know say the man run up, dog.
Yo.
And when the man run up and say Killer and daddy, dog, me bumbuckle it, dog.
Yeah, man, but Vegas, me and him get away upon him up there, man. Because, brother, you want, me never go down the field and not talking. Me never go down the field and not talking. And me go down there with my dog, them too. Because, you want, some man see me and think, say, me is a like a uptown youth and them something there, brother. Some man have to know what time. Some man have to know what time it is more time.
Dog, I will put history, if dancehall history can write without your base and production and everything, brother, so. At the end of the day, bro, we look at Hawkeye, them out there try to go out them and put down people and about say, he was just like a sidekick around the main street and all them something there. Him to be grateful, dog, so.
Me don't see that. But you what now? If Hawkeye, if you say you're a sidekick, right? Because brother, when me help people, me no think they, you know, me no look for nothing and go say, yo, you're psychic or not. Me I try help you so that you can reach on. Me tell Vegas about a rhythm where I come kill the place. Vegas come with a bad song, Phoebus. If Vegas come with an average song, whenever they are go work.
Nothing. Nothing, dad. Nothing, bro.
Yo, let me show you a thing, Vegas. And let me show you a thing to my brother. You see, as a man in the earth, hear this now. When me know what you do. Me know how you follow up everything people say. Because you see the internet, you see that thing I will with the pan. Everybody bad over it with them finger. You get to me, I say? That's why me is a man. Me is a man, me ain't no whole heap of chattings, man. Throughout the years, me bust 25 years in the music. You ever hear some boy box me in my face, I do nothing, brother. Me not run joke. Me not run joke. Me not have to ask nobody when me can.
No. Me learn something there now. Me learn something.
Yo, brother, me know how serious me is, you know. I'm not you when me grow with from jungle to Sherlock and the whole I place them. We tell you how me serious. So here when me do, Vegas, me just go through and me not try in an argument and no confrontation with nobody. Because hear this, my brother. At the end of the day, I do have nothing at all to prove to nobody. Me just want to know, say, listen, a man can dip on him typewriter and a type on the internet. Oh, use this and use that and use Ray and use what and Ray. Listen to me. Me know how serious me as a human being is. And me know, say, me as a big man, me not have to prove nothing to nobody, my brother. Because me know, say, if it's action time, me know what time it is.
All right. You see, everything where I say, a gospel. But you see, you have some people where more time start propagate some things like them want put out this whole sympathetic campaign for people sorry for them and with them day in their life. A man like Hawkeye enough even said that about Murray, dog. That's how it hurt me, dog. Better than money.
He must have said nothing bad about Murray. Because Murray, you say after Main Street, brother, is Murray pick up and adapt.
Dog, Murray used to take money out of the money and give the man to pay him rent, dog. And that me I tell you, bro.
Brother, you hear me? Let me tell you something, brother. In our earth, just adapt this principle. Do good and let good follow.
Every time.
Do good and let good follow. Because hear this, Vegas. No matter how much good you do in our earth, to some people, you'll always be the biggest fussy, and you'll be the biggest this, and you'll be the biggest that. Just do good and let good follow.
Every time.
Follow up people and feel like, because you want, brother, you see on the internet, you cannot win 1 million people out there and try persuade people, say, me not stay like this and me not stay like that, because you see at the end of the day, my brother, at the end of the day, you know, you see the truth will always manifest itself.
No, but you know, so that is up for debate, you know, because trust me, the people see the truth and it look like a lie to them. So
listen, it can look like a lie for your time being, man. And then a time I go come when everything just float to the top like when you throw oil in a water.
Bro, let me tell you something. We're living in a world right now where the truth doesn't mean anything to people anymore. Just trust me, no,
no, people love gossip, you know. Listen, people love gossip. Like me tell you, say, bad news will spread quicker than a wildfire. But hear this, Vegas, and you have to understand this in a earth. More time as a man, you have to allow people to talk. You remember what day when this boy come on the internet and I talk about man, rape Movado and Ray. You see Vado come address that one blood clot time. You never see Vado come on the internet come say nothing at all. Because what? It's illusion. And when you hear some illusion things,
you see, depends on who that come from. Because I don't know nobody that said that.
Now, that brother they have an eyebrow on him. But bro, him they have an eyebrow on him.
The man nobody that, brother. That's not nobody, brother. I don't nobody that in the music. If me talk about somebody in the music, dog, it's again some form of publicity when me no mind them getting, dog. So when me talk about Hawkeye, if him can use a publicity here and make something out of life and pay him rent, me all good with that, dog, because me still do good. You see what I say? So some people me talk about, if them can capitalize on the publicity, Well done.
No, me I tell you say, more time you don't address certain things. All me say, we as man, and not everything we follow up. And more time we hear some people attack, and we just clutch.
Oh, 100%. 100%.
More time we just clutch. Because you want me, you know, my lord. It's at the end of the day, me always tell people, you know, God bless we different, you know. A whole heap of man coming at the business and make way more than a Vegas and a Mr. G make. But them don't have. Them don't have the amount of things them for sure. Like what we have.
Right. Right.
You get what me I say?
I just say, brother, do good and good follow you. Big up yourself, my general. Good reason with your dog.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Well, alright, me tell you to say it would have good though. Yeah, I'm never lie. It was a good reasoning between the two legend them. Watch on man people, talk to me down in the comment section, make me hear one officer pertaining to this. Mr. G, Mr. Vegas, and the whole Hawkeye saga will go on. What for no take? More want to see no comments. Me I go look for it. Watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button so once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.